Murali Malayappan is the CMD now joining in. Thank you so much for taking time out. A new launch in Bangalore. Tell us a little bit more about this project. What is the ticket size that you're eyeing? And more importantly, what is the revenue potential?
This is the project near Electronic City, wherein we have recently delivered about 27 units in the last 3-4 years' time. So this is the location. Maybe we took early more advantage and established the location. In the same micro market, we launched this project 2-3 days ago. The project code name is Shriram Ultimate, which has which has given good results as on date. In the last 2-3 days' time, we have sold about 77% so far. So we hope to sell out in the next couple of weeks' time. So in the last 3-4 days, that shows now there is a good demand. And it is a ticket size is about 60 to 80 lakhs is a ticket size, which is ideal mid-market and mid-market premium segment in that location. So we believe this has had a good attraction and we have sold very well. This gives us confidence again. We can ramp up extremely well and launch lots of projects in the future.
Malayappan, also if you could just share with us a rough timeline by when is this project expected to be completed and when is it that we'll see revenue recognition on your books?
So this project would take anywhere between 30 to 36 months time for completion, and the revenue recognition can happen after the occupation certificate comes.
All right. What about your target for FY24? You plan to hand over 3,000 units. You've handed over about 1,600 odd so far. Tell us a little bit more about, whether or not you're confident for covering up the difference in Q4.
Yeah, it is on track. We have already crossed 2,300 as on date, and remaining is fully on track. We should be able to deliver comfortably whatever the target we fixed, these 3,000 units, which is scheduled for March. It's fully on track. All the overseas have come which are relevant for this 3,000 units delivery, which is on track.
All right, good to know. And given that Q3 was a bit sluggish on the back of the floods, the delay in the OC approvals, can you give us some sort of an update in terms of the OC approvals? Have they begun to trickle in? What about for phase 1 of Park 63 in Chennai? Any update?
Yeah, all that OCs which were issued for Q3, because of that there was some recognition issue because of OC. All the OCs have come now, which is all on track now. So full year we should be in a position to comfortably deliver. We are completely back on track with respect to OCs and delivery of units. And as well as Park 63, it was a marvelous job done by our team. We have got it done, everything now. It's fully on track now.
Okay, and what about the launch pipeline for pre-sales? What is it that you have in store for FY25?
Yeah, FY25, we have a very healthy pipeline. We have got close to about 7.7 million square foot pipeline for FY25, which is in a very, very good shape today. So we hope to continue with this performance track record, what we have seen in the project code name. We should be able to have some good numbers delivered for FY25 too.
And given that Bangalore has been seeing, some water cut shortages, etc., any impact does this have on your launch pipeline?
Not yet. Okay. Not yet. I'm sure God will be kind to the city. God only has to help today at this point of time. This summer is peak now. Maybe next 1 month and by sometime middle of May, we expect the monsoon to set and rains will start. So hopefully people will forget this and move on. Otherwise, I'm not sure government action on infra and addressing the water scarcity. It's a matter of concern today. So people have to take cognizance of that. I'm sure governments will look into it and address this part and address this. It's a major issue. See, Bangalore is not a city we can ignore today. Not only in Shriram Group, not only Shriram Properties. Overall, the country cannot ignore Bangalore as a city. So this needs to be addressed. This needs to be addressed not only the state government and central government. Together, they need to address this issue. I think they will address this. And also, we can pray God for early monsoon to set in, with which we should be able to overcome this water issue. Currently, this has not impacted the demand.
I also wanted to understand about your Pune foray, wanted to understand how it is because there's a lot of intense competition and presence from already established local players in that particular region. And what exactly is the launch timeline, the revenue recognition, etc., that you are expecting from Pune?
Pune, we are looking at launch, and sometime in early April. We are waiting for the last leg of approval and the RERA clearance. Early April, we are looking at launch, and immediately we start the construction. The revenue recognition will take again 3 years' time. It's not going to be tomorrow. But sales, we are bullish on sales. Shriram Group has got tremendous presence in Maharashtra, and Shriram Properties is well known in the mid-market segment. Also in Pune, we did a dipstick, and the response has been really, really good. We are just accelerating our channel partner programs and all that in Pune. The initial feedback seemed to be very good. Both Bangalore and Pune market behave something similar, and there seem to be a very big demand for the mid market and mid market premium. So this will be a good sign. And Shriram Property is a well-known name in Pune market too. Though we have not done any projects, we expect Pune market to treat us very well. On the project completion, though it is 2-3 years time, since there is a project and the development management, we will start recognizing revenue the moment sales started next year itself.
Right. Okay, Mr. Malayappan, great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for giving us that perspective on where the business is headed.
Thank you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.